Hello, Internet. Today we are going to try the Oreo Big Crunch Bar. It's new. You want to break us off a piece, or is it all broken already?
There's some broken off. The boy couldn't wait.
It tells on the package how to open this. Very chocolate. But if you can see it, it looks like an Oreo that's been dipped in chocolate.
You just want to have that piece?
Yeah. For 5 pieces, which this is what they are. This is 2 pieces right here. For 5 pieces, it's 230 calories. And you did the math. How many calories is 1 bar?
I did the math the other day. Let's see. 14 and 1,610 calories in the whole thing.
So what do you think about it?
I think it was pretty good. It's not good for you, but if you like Oreos and you like chocolate, it's like a chocolate dipped Oreo almost.
Yeah.
It's a big crunch bar. Oreo in the middle, then the cream around that, and then dipped in chocolate. It's pretty good. What's this Milka? Is that the chocolate they used or something?
I guess. It's pretty good. It is like an Oreo that's been dipped in chocolate. It doesn't have all the... I'd say it don't have all the cream. Or no, not the cream. The chocolate, the cookie part. It's more chocolate.
Yeah, I mean, it's just got the cookie part in the middle. Just
Yeah.
like a layer of it.
It's not very much chocolate.
Did you show them the bar up close?
Yeah. But it's pretty good. It's a
Pretty good with milk.
chocolate candy bar. I'll take pictures of this so you can see it at the end. But it's pretty good. If you could find one, being that they're new, you probably could find one. I'd suggest trying it. But I wouldn't sit down and eat this whole bar unless you're like working out at the gym like 24/7, because this is really bad for you. But anyway, like I always say, show me some love, like, comment, subscribe. Check that box below where you can find me in all the other places on the internet. And I will catch you later.